The Level 2 of David H. Paul Incorporated's RO Specialist Certification Program is the 3-day hands-on operation, control, monitoring, and maintenance of RO systems. In this training, learn from David H. Paul Incorporated's certified water treatment instructors who each have over 30 years of water treatment operation and training experience. Perform hands-on procedures critical to keeping an RO unit functioning efficiently. This training is designed for people who work directly with RO units, such as operators, maintenance personnel, service technicians, and supervisors who monitor performance and need to know when there's a problem present. This hands-on seminar is held nearly every month, hosted by various facilities. Visit dhptraining.com for a current list of seminars.